In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gumroad to build an email list with our Gumroad email marketing tutorial. To start, we need to head over to the Gumroad website. Open your favorite browser and type in gumroad.com. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the home page. Look towards the top right corner and there you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked login, you'll be presented with several options to access your account. For the ease of use, let's opt to login with Google. Click on the Google button and select the account you wish to use for this tutorial. If you're not already signed into Google, you'll be prompted to do so now. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to the Gumroad dashboard. Here, we need to focus on something called workflows. You can find this by looking at the options on the sidebar. Once you spot it, click on workflows to begin setting up your email marketing campaign. The next step involves establishing a new workflow. Look for the button that says new workflow and click on it. Now, a key part of this process is giving your workflow a name. Just type in something that clearly identifies the purpose of this particular marketing workflow. After naming it, you'll see an option titled New Subscriber. Click on that to specify that this workflow is for individuals newly subscribing to your email list. With your new workflow set up, click on Save and Continue. This step ensures that your workflow settings are securely stored before you begin crafting emails. Now let's advance to the email creation stage. You'll find an option labeled Create Email. Click on it to get started. The first thing you'll draft in your email is the subject line. This should be attention grabbing yet informative, as it is the first thing your subscribers will see. After that, consider the timing of your emails. Gumroad allows you the flexibility to choose when the email is sent relative to when someone becomes a subscriber. For our purposes today, we'll select 0 hours, meaning the email is sent immediately upon subscription. Now it's time to craft the body of your message. This is the meat of your email where you'll convey your key message or offer to your subscribers. Be as engaging and clear as possible in this section. If you have any additional files or resources you want to attach to your email, look for the Attach Files button and click on it to upload your documents. To ensure everything is as you planned, you'll notice on the right hand side of your screen a preview of the email. This is a crucial step to verify that your email appears as intended. Finally, once everything looks good, locate the Save Changes button and click on it. This will finalize all your hard work and save the email settings within your workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully used Gumroad to create an email marketing workflow that will help you grow and manage your email list effectively.